Hello my dear friends, welcome back to my channel Sapna Raghuvanshi, and as you can see that it's me, your friend Sapna Raghuvanshi has presented here. So I hope that you must be very excited to listen my today's motivational story. But yes guys, I want to tell you something that today I decided to talk to you before starting my story. So please guys, don't try to skip my video and don't try to forget to like and subscribe my channel, and please try to watch my video till end. And of course guys, I promise that I won't get you bored of my talking and speaking, so please try to watch till the end. So first of all, I want to ask you about yourself. Just tell me guys, how are you and how is your English speaking journey going on? And what are the important and crucial methods that you are applying to learn English communication? And how are you learning English communication? And what is your favorite method? So please try to let me know about all these things in the comment box. That guys, yes, if I say about myself, so there are so many process for learning English communication skill. If we are in our initial day, so there's reading, writing, listening, speaking, and shadowing. But yes guys, as I asked that what is your favorite method, so I wanted to tell you about my favorite method. That yes guys, nowadays as I am focusing so much on listening and speaking, means I used to listen some motivational story and then try to try to tell this story, and in this way I always try to speak English. So this is my way of speaking English. This is, and also guys, I want to know about your journey, that how is it going on. And yes guys, I want to say something very important, and that is this, that if you are such type of person who are learning English communication with the help of my motivational story, so first of all I want to say you thanks from the bottom of my heart. And of course guys, it's a great honor for me that you are learning from me, and I am such a person who is able to learn someone something. So this is a great honor for me, and especially if I'm able to learn someone English speaking. So definitely guys, this is a matter of joy and honor for me. So please don't forget to let me know about your journey. And okay guys, now let's start our motivational English story without any further delay, because I think that I took your precious time a lot. I can't say that I wasted, because I'm not wasting your time my dear friend, because I'm here only for making you learn English communication if you are learner and beginner. And yes guys, if I say honestly, you can also see the improvement in me, because you can see my initial video and this time's video, and there's a lots of different. And yes, still I'm making mistake in my all videos on some point. But yes guys, don't try to forget that from our mistake we always learn more and more. So never try to afraid about making mistake, because making mistake is crucial part of learning. If we are making mistake, it means that we are learning something, and we are on this process of learning. So okay guys, now let's start story. Actually, once upon a time there was a Zen master living out of a village, and there are lots of people used to come to that Zen master to ask the solution about their problem. And one day people of that village, most of the people went to that Zen master to ask the solution of their problem. And the Zen master, they started asking one by one about their problem. Means they started telling their problem one by one. And after hearing all of them, Zen master noticed that most of the peoples are besetting the same problem, like the problem of how to live a stress-free life, how to live a happy and stress-free life. Because that time, that was the common problem that all the peoples were besetting. So the Zen master, after hearing about all their problems, the Zen master left from there for few minutes only. So after a few minutes, he came back with a jar, glass jar, and a bag full of a golf ball. So first of all, he took the jar box and put it on the table, and then asked people like, my dear friends, just tell me, what are you seeing? What is it? So all people said like, this is an empty jar, glass jar. So okay, the Zen master said okay. Now he started filling this empty jar box with this golf box. So after filling this, he again asked people, what are you noticing now? So now the people started saying like, Zen master, as this empty jar is full now, filled with this golf ball, sorry guys. So Zen master again took a bowl of pebble. A bowl means a bowl full of pebbles. So again he poured the pebbles in the box. So of course guys, as we can see that there's a golf ball in the jar. So there's a space at the rolling area. So this pebbles, all the pebbles just had adjust in that rolling space, in that jar, in that glass jar. So after this, again the Zen master asked, what are you seeing now? So people again said, yes, this jar is filled now. And again the Zen master took a bowl of full with sand, and he started pouring this sand in the jar. And of course guys, the sand particles started adjusting in the box, in the jar, and it has also adjusted there. So that time again the Zen master asked, what are you noticing now? So that time people replied like, now this glass jar is also filled. So the Zen master said, look my dear friends, as you all saw that earlier when I poured golf balls, so that time you said that your jar was full, but when I poured the pebbles in that jar, so it was also filled with the pebbles. And when I again poured the sand in the jar, so it has also adjusted there. So in the same way, I wanted to make you learn that this golf box, this golf ball is just like the important things in your life. So always try to fill your life with, always try to give first priority to your important things. Means for you, your most important things is just like your family, your health, and your job, of course. So always try to give your first priority to that things, means that golf box, and the pebbles are just like your friends and your car, your house, and other things. So of course guys, it's also important in your life for you. So the Zen master said, so my dear friends, you should give your first priority to your family and to your health, to your job, and then you should give your second priority, means you should fill your life like with your friends, with your house, with your car, means all these things. And then the other things, like the other things, remaining things in your life, just like the particles, sand particles. So if you always focus only that sand particles, so your life will always stressful. Now try to think, if in that empty jar box, jar, if you first poured the sand, so of course what you find, so definitely you would have found that this that jar was full of that sand, and there was no space in this, there would have no space for that golf box, for your important things. So in the same way, always try to, in your life, just try to give your first priority to your most important things in your life, and then give the other priority to other important things in your life. And after this, just try to avoid these type of particles, like sand particles. So if you try to avoid just like a small things in your life, so definitely you will lead a very happy and stress free life. And of course guys, sometime if we relate this story to our real life, so sometimes we also feel like our life is so stressful and so hectic. So just because that we are focusing on that particles of sand, means unnecessarily and unwanted things. So if we start giving priority of those type of things in our life, so of course guys, we will definitely feel a stressful life. So if you really want to live a stress free life, so you should have focus, you must focus on your crucial things in your life, just like first of all your health, your family, then your job, your friends, and your other things. So in this way, all the people have learnt the Zen master's lesson, and from that day they started living a happy and stress free life. And yes guys, if I said about myself, so this voice is not my real, I think I got some throat infection, that's why this voice is not my real voice, and I'm finding it difficult to speak. So but yes guys, I'm still speaking and I'm still making video for you, for me, for all. So please my dear friends, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, and don't try to forget to support me in my English speaking journey, in my efforts, and don't forget to continue your practice as well. Bye bye guys.